guys, welcome back to Plumber channel, and this is our third videos for unboxing the setup box. And this one is the best choice for the car owner who likes go overloading and camping and off-road guys. And we can find when you receive the box, this is a black gift box with the Plumber logo, and we can find that there comes a sticker to show you the details of the product, and this is attention one. So when we open the box, we can find there also comes a form, black form. So we need to remove the form to see what we'll see. So let's camera in advance to check the details, because this product comes a little bit more accessories than the fuel tank cap as the last videos we show you. So from the box we can find that there comes connection wires, and connection wires. This is a plug, and this is a tools with bracket and the sluice and connection wires. And on this side, bracket, and there also comes a small hose. Inside of the small hose we can find the sluice. This is all the accessories for the setup box. So we have two options for the setup box. The one on my hand is the gray ones in this video today. So first of all, let's check the products. We can find that it's very strong quality. The material is not aluminum, it's aluminum magazine oil, and this is very strong. And we can find that there also come the stickers after remove it, the logo here. And we have two options, one is black, one is gray. The black is better for fit the cars with full black interior look, and the ones is better for the car with light interior colors and like the gray. And this one, our videos and photos shoes comes with a radio, that's just for shoe. And the suggestion for the radios, we have the one is ICOM 27273. The suspension radio is fit for this one. If you have the other choice, you can check if fitment for this one. This setup box we can find it solves the problem for the car owners who like to go off-road, and they always have the radio wears problems. So it will be replacement for the sunglasses box station and to replacement it. So this is the wears. We can hide it inside of the box when we installation. So in the future, in the next week, we will go into installation these products for you guys to reference how to look after we install the cars, and you can check the detailed steps. If you have any further questions, you can contact our sales department for more information. So we'd like to support you.